Making your own noodles at home can be both rewarding, much tastier, and much healthier, and it's even easier than you think. I made garlic noodles and I'm gonna walk you through the whole process, recipe and all. It's so easy. I started with 2 1/4 cup flour, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of garlic powder. Now, the garlic powder is optional. However, in my opinion, everything's better with garlic. So I add a little garlic. Now, I have a dough sheet, but you can use a shallow bowl or a cutting board or any kind of a flat surface that you can work with. Just dump the flour and make it into a pile with a hole big enough to fit all 3 eggs in the middle. Then, just crack your eggs into the middle and add the dash of salt and the garlic powder. Again, garlic powder is optional. With a fork, just start whisking the eggs, folding in the flour into the middle, and once it's a good consistency, start kneading it with your hands. About 3 to 4 minutes. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. If it's sticky, add more flour from the sides. Then, you probably won't use all the flour. If it gets too dry, you can add a little water on your hand and then and fold it into the dough. It shouldn't be sticky and it shouldn't be dry. Kind of a happy medium. Then just roll it into a ball, and once smooth, wrap it in cling wrap and let it sit on the counter for about 20 minutes. While that's going on, while that's sitting, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and start my water on the stove and get it boiling. The timing is just about perfect. So just about when you're done and ready to do the noodles, the boiling water's ready. So after 20 minutes, just roll the dough out, cut it in half, and you're ready to feed the noodle press machine. So just feed the dough into the machine and then choose what size or what style of noodles you prefer. Then just simply twist the top and voila, you've got noodles. You can freeze them or you can use them right away. I love to use them fresh. Now, it only takes about 3 minutes for the noodles to cook and they're delicious.